to do this. Wow!
Wow!
Over to Stycie and Seth.
Seth, I know one of your favorite things is making explosions.
Please tell me in today's experiment we're making an explosion.
Yes, we are.
Yay!
Today we're going to be making a fountain. For the experiment, we'll need baking soda,
Vinegar,
a spatula,
food coloring,
a funnel.
and a bottle.
Let's get started. So first we put in the baking soda.
Let me hold the bottle.
And we're gonna put it up to like here.
Oh my gosh. Let me try to empty some of this inside.
Just shake it. Ooh, it's snowing. I think it's fine. Now for the second part, we're going to put in the,
Food coloring.
use the spatula.
Yeah.
Just scoop some. What color do you think that is?
Red.
No, it's orange. I know it looks like red.
Wow.
Just put a little. And you don't need to mix. Then now we're going to use the funnel. So I'm gonna hold the funnel and then he's
But
gonna
first,
Oh
safety
yeah,
goggles.
Because scientists look awesome with goggles. Goggle girl. Okay. Now you put.
And now it's time for the eruption.
Here we go. Wait a second. Okay, let's go.
Hold it
3,
up a bit so that when it starts falling.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Ah!
Ah!
It was orange.
Yes.
Whoa.
Vinegar. I smell it.
That was cool.
Yeah, very cool.
Can we add more?
Let's add more. There we go. More, very fast, very fast, very fast, very fast, very fast. Ah!
It's exactly like a volcano.
Yeah.
Wow. So Stycie, how does this work?
The baking soda is the base, while the vinegar is an acid.
And when they mix, they form a solution that breaks apart into carbon dioxide and water.
Yeah. This creates the fountain as the carbon dioxide escapes.
Wow, this was really fun to make.
And you should try it at home.
And tell us how it goes in the comments down below.
Like and subscribe.
We'll see you next time. This is Stycie.
This is Seth.
And this was
Sema's
Sema's Lab.
See ya.
Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel.